What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here, and we're going to do a quick video on my 1991 Kirby Generation 3. So, yeah. Be the first video of this machine since before my surgery, so... Poo on you. You definitely can't go wrong with an old machine like this, that's for sure. Oh! About time to have this stuff to service from the sounds of it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Drop a like, comment down below. See you with the next Kirby video. And see you with more restocks. See you later.